Well, that's Lalit Keshre. Microsoft, Meta and Alphabet have all reported a combined quarterly revenue of $230 billion. All three companies have promised to ramp up capital expenditure on AI, even as questions swirl around the returns on investments. Rachna standing by with more. Rachna, take us through the commentary coming in from the three big tech companies on AI and India.
That's right. Big tech is continuing to splash the cash on artificial intelligence. Third quarter earnings show how AI continues to reshape spending and profits across the technology sector. Meta, Microsoft and Alphabet each reported solid revenue growth supported by ongoing AI investments, new product launches and expanded data infrastructure. Let's start with Alphabet. The owner of Google and YouTube raised its forecast for capital expenditure to $91 and $93 billion from its earlier estimate of about $85 billion. Facebook's parent Meta also rose its capital expenditure. Now it will be between $70 and $72 billion, up from an earlier estimate of $66 to $72 billion. Microsoft's capex in the quarter was $35 billion compared to $24 billion in the previous quarter. This includes data center expenses, and the company plans to double its data center footprint in the next 2 years. Let's now look at the earnings fine print. Alphabet delivered one of its strongest quarters on the record, with revenue crossing $100 billion for the first time compared to $87 billion in Q2. Cloud revenue increased 33.5% year-on-year to over $15 billion. Now, CEO Sundar Pichai said Alphabet's AI products are now driving real business results, with AI-related revenue up more than 200% compared to the previous year. Microsoft reported quarterly revenue of nearly $78 billion and a net income of about $31 billion, up 22% year-on-year. Growth was led by its Azure cloud business. Operating income also rose 19% to more than $38 billion, while gross margin improved by 2 points from last year. Meta Platforms reported revenue of over $51 billion. That's a 26% increase from the same quarter last year. That is Meta's strongest growth since early 2024. But the stock declined in trade after the company took a one-time tax charge of nearly $16 billion linked to President Donald Trump's big spending legislation, which is also known as the Big Beautiful Bill. Now, Meta also confirmed that a $14.3 billion investment was made in Scale AI and a $27 billion financing deal to expand its data center footprint in Louisiana. Collectively, the three tech majors have reported more than $230 billion in combined quarterly revenue, reflecting how deeply AI is influencing growth and corporate spending priorities all across the Silicon Valley.
All right, Rachna, many thanks for joining us. That's Microsoft, Meta and Alphabet with their earnings. With that,